YouTube, I'm at it again. It's my second day out here with the Mavic 4 Pro, and we got a friend. My nephew have one of my other drones, the Mavic 3, the OG model. But anyway, I didn't like the joysticks on this controller. It just seems too long for me. So let me get out of his way. And I swapped them out with some shorter joysticks. So also today I'm gonna try C1 and dial. Okay. I want to check one setting real quick. Control button customization. Okay, still on there. Okay. So I set my C1 button to cruise control because today I want to try out the gimbal to get it to rotate 360 degrees. So we'll see if that works, but we're going to fly here. And let me go get a seat, but we're going to explore some of the other neighborhoods around here. What's that? Yeah. Let me get up here. I had some settings, but they weren't working out for me, so I reset them, and it's totally stock now. Went to the stock settings, and we'll just go over here and explore some of these neighborhoods. Again, this is the water treatment plant I'm near. I was able to get it up to 60 miles per hour yesterday as I put it in sport mode. And today I have it in Explorer mode. So if I needed to zoom in, and we're going to go over the golf course. I'm going to put my antennas down now. I didn't put them down yesterday, but I had no issues. Where you flying at, Will? Oh, okay. That is the golf course. Hopefully I can spot someone out here playing. Let's slow it down, and we'll be able to test out these cameras, the zoom. Yeah, definitely I'm going to keep these shorter sticks on here. Here's some people here. Hold on. There's some people here. I think. Now they, maybe not. I don't know. Yes. Oh, go back. Let me put it in cine mode. And let's see what they're doing. Go back. Stop. Put the gimbal up. There we go. Oh, he just, I don't know anything about golf, but I think it's called teed off. Let's see what he's gonna do here. Let's concentrate on him. Let's go in a little more. Oh, 24 times, so I'm at the max. All right, go back to normal mode. And I forgot where I was going, but we'll just fly. That sun is directly. Let's try this position. Had to reposition here. There's a lake or a pond or something over here, but we'll see if we can make it over there. I'm not sure if this is some type of park. Here we go. Hold on. Baseball field. Yeah, small park. All right, let's go to this lake here, hopefully. I'm gonna go in sport mode. 53, 55, 56, oh, 57, 59, come on, 60. And I just hit the C1 button because I got my cruise control on there, so now my hands are free somewhat. Okay, disable. Let's go to normal mode. I'm trying to see if I know where this neighborhood is, but don't think I do. Okay. Now I'm getting some signal interference, so let's head on back. Nice day. It's not that hot, even though it's around 6 p.m. Still got a little light. We'll try these bodies of water. How you coming along, Will? Huh? I don't know per se, but I'm not near you. I'm coming in now. Okay, I know where I'm at now. This area. May see some cattle over here. I'll bring it back close to me and then I'll try the gimbal roll. If you fly over that, oh, I see. Hold on one second. Who's blowing their horn? Let's go in sport mode again. Not sure I would like a house that's on the golf course. Yeah, I'm fighting. I'm going against the wind now, so I'm only like 42 miles per hour. Normal mode. Let me put it on cruise control. And I can zoom while I'm going. I'm in the 2 time now. It looked like the drone is not moving, but we are going about 40 miles per hour. How's your battery? Hold on, I want to try the gimbal roll on here first. We're coming back, we'll head over here. Cancel the cruise control. Let me zoom back to normal. Man, look at this. Florida is just so flat. I wish I had some mountains and hills. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to cine mode, and I need to do an orbit. Actually, I like these the factory settings, I guess. I can work with this. Where am I? Okay. Let me take my sunglasses off. Now we'll bring it down, and then I'll the sun is late. Let me get behind this okay, get a little shield here. Now let me go to normal just to speed it up a little. And we'll come down, and then I'll oh, I see. Bring it down, and I'll have it come towards me, and then put it on cruise control. And I think you hit the C1 button and well, let's come down one more time. Bring the gimbal up. So there I am, but I think I could practice while it's not flying. So I'm gonna hit the C1 button, hold it. Yeah, there you go. You hit the C1 button, hold it, and then turn the what wheel is this for? The wheel for zooming in and out. So, and I'll put a screen recording on here, but there you go. The little compass or whatever, it won't go away from your screen unless it's back to 0. So, all right, let's go in cine mode. I'm not sure the speed I need to get to, but here we go. Okay. Yeah, I got the C1 button. There we go. I'm going a little fast probably, but you'll get an idea. That's pretty cool. Hey, buddy. Just passing me. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Okay. Now, oh, let me disable the cruise control. Let's fly backwards. See if I can do a cruise control. Now I'm going to do it again and go the opposite way. The further you push this dial, the more it'll turn like I need to work on that, but there we go. And that was backwards. I went to 40 degrees. Let's go back to 0. And there we go. And I'll do a screen recording and stop. Maybe that cruise control is not a good idea, but it helps me free up my hand. So anyway, that was just let's see, maybe I'll do yeah, that'll be it for today. I don't want to fry my brains. But anyway, just another quick video. I'll be working with this drone for the next several days, and hopefully I'll learn more and more. And I finally got my audio. I did audio yesterday, and thank goodness I did an internal mic recording, but there was a setting in the controller that I had to allow the audio to go on the stream recording. So, but that's fixed now. But anyway, I'm out of here. See ya.